In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an item to your cart on Alibaba. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Alibaba. In the results, choose the official Alibaba.com site. If you see ads or look-alike domains, skip those and click the main result so you land on the homepage safely. Once the site loads, sign in to your account. Being logged in ensures the cart saves properly across devices and that you see accurate pricing and shipping regions. If you're already signed in, you'll see your profile icon at the top. If not, use the sign in button and return to the home page. From here, you can scroll to explore featured categories or go straight to the search bar at the top. Type a clear product keyword like women's clothes, then press enter. Use filters such as price, minimum order, ready to ship, or supplier rating to narrow the results. Taking a moment to filter saves time and helps you find reliable listings. When you spot an item you like, click it to open the product page. Review the details carefully, the price range, any minimum order quantity, available colors and sizes, estimated lead time, and buyer reviews. Check the seller's rating and trade assurance badges to gauge reliability. This is also a good moment to confirm that the variation you want is actually in stock. Next, click Add to Cart. On Alibaba, this often opens a selection panel rather than adding immediately, so don't worry if you see a pop-up. Now choose the required options, such as color and size. If there's a size chart, compare measurements to make sure you pick the right fit. Some listings require you to select every attribute before you can proceed. Adjust the quantity using the plus sign next to the size or variant you're buying. Many suppliers set a minimum order, so the number may jump in specific increments, or it may represent packs instead of single pieces. Make sure the quantity matches what you intend to purchase. Finally, confirm by clicking Add to Cart again. Look for a brief confirmation message or a cart counter update at the top of the page. If you'd like, you can keep browsing and repeat the process for more items, or open the cart to review what you've added. Double check the variants, quantities, and any notes before moving on. That's it. Your selected item is now in your Alibaba cart, ready for checkout whenever you are.